Today I'm here at a retirement village and I'm gonna be playing 3 songs. I don't want to. The songs that I'm gonna be playing is Ode to Joy, Polka, and Cowboy song. I feel nervous and excited at the same time. So there's 2 groups, and then the first group is gonna be playing for people who has
dementia,
and then the second group, which is my group, are gonna be playing for old people that is independent.
Yep.
So this is the first song I'm gonna be playing. It's called Ode to Joy. The next song I'm gonna be playing is Cowboy song. These whole 2 pages is the one whole song.
And you nervous?
Sort of. And then the last song I'm going to be playing is Polka. This one. Bye. The first group is going to perform, so I have to wait my turn. Bye. I'm just waiting for my turn.
Hello.
My name is Arianna and I'm 2 years old and I'm going to be playing Cowboy song, Polka, and
Yes.
Very good.
everyone, I just finished my performance and I feel really good. I'm gonna go out to lunch now. Heaps of mistakes and everyone was so good and they were higher level than me, and then their songs were like, it just sounded like it was played the trumpet, and another person did a dance, and also lunch with Dad. And this lady, she